Forgot the turkey or need milk last minute? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are the grocery stores in Charlotte that are open on Thanksgiving Day. Most Harris Teeter stores are open, but they close early, usually around 2 p.m. So if you forgot your cranberry sauce, head there before lunch. Many Walmart stores in Charlotte stay open, but hours can vary. It's always a good idea to check ahead. Walmart is perfect for last minute snacks or drinks. Whole Foods locations are open, but often close by mid-afternoon. If you need to pick up fresh veggies or desserts, Whole Foods has got you covered. Food Lion is a lifesaver. Most stores stay open until evening, making it perfect for grabbing bread or cooking oil. And while they may not be grocery stores, CVS and Walgreens are open on Thanksgiving and have essentials like canned goods, snacks, and milk. Make sure to call ahead. And confirm store hours, they might change. Don't stress, even on Thanksgiving. You can find what you need. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe to NextGenFinance for more quick tips that save you time and money.